Hello everyone, now we will understand about the data types and variable. Let's start with the variable. What is a variable? Variable is nothing but it is like a container which can hold some value. Suppose I am creating one variable. Variable name is name and I will assign a value Manish. So name is one variable. So it is like a container which holds the values. Now if I'll print a name, if I'll print a name, so what does this name contains? Name contains the value of Manish. So name is like a container which holds the value. That is the definition of a variable. Suppose I am creating another variable a equal to the 10. I am also creating another variable b equal to the 40, c equal to the 60. Now if I'll try to print b. So what is b? B contain what value? 40, right? So it's like a container which holds the value. So if I'll print a also, what a contain? A contain the value of a 10. So variable is nothing but it is like a container which holds the values. Now let's understand about the data types. So Python generally supports the multiple data types like string, integer, float, complex and all. Let's understand one by one. So in a Python, how actually we declare a variable a equal to the 10 like that, right? So variable is something which holds the value. Now if you will see, if you want to know what is the data type of this a, so how actually you can know? If you write type and a, you will get to know what is the data type of this a. So if you will execute, you can see integer. So if you had to know about the what is the data type of any specific variable, you can use a type function and you will get to know about the data type. Now one question which is generally asked in interview, what is the static typing and the dynamic typing? What is the difference? So if you will see in a Python how actually we declare a variable a equal to the 10, but in other programming language C, C++ and all, what actually we write int a and 10 like that actually we declare a variable, and while declaring a variable we define like this a should contain the integer only. So that's how actually we define, right? So this is a static typing. So other programming language supports the static typing, but in a Python, but in Python, suppose you are declaring a variable like b equal to the 10. Here we don't declare like this b will contain only the integer type. So this is the dynamic dynamic typing. The Python interpreter already will know based on the values this will be a integer. So that is the dynamic typing. So other programming language they suppose the static typing, but Python suppose the dynamic typing. So this is the question which is generally asked in interview. So you should know. Now let's see what are the different data types we have. The first one is the string. So if you are declaring a variable like a equal to the hello world. Now if you will see type a, it is a string type. It suppose the integer b equal to the 10, and if you will see the type, it is an integer. It's also suppose the float. Float is nothing but the decimal values. It also suppose the complex like 2 plus 5j and all, right? So these are the complex data type. And also it suppose the other data type like list. In the list, how actually we have a value in a bracket, it contains the value, and if you will check the type, it is a list. Similarly, we have a tuple, we have a set, we have a dictionary. These all the things we will discuss in the depth in the upcoming lecture, but as of now you should know how to check the data type of the particular variable, and how actually you can create a variable. So I hope you got the idea like what is a variable and the data type in this particular video.